Let's see how to tag someone on your Instagram story. So tap on your story by opening your Instagram. You can go to the story and you can tap on create. From there, you can go for changing the background, or otherwise you can select any of the color you want, or you can long press on that and you can go for selecting any of the color like this. And so you can tap on the sticker icon over there and you can go for add yours or music. Let's say I'm tapping on music and tapping on this. So I'm tapping on done. Now, if you need to add someone, you can tap on this text icon over there. In the at mention, you can tap and you can select whatever the people you want and you can long press on them. And if you tap on that, here you can change the colors or the edit the style of that, and you can long press on that to paste wherever it want. This is how you can tag someone on your Instagram story. Thank you.